Hey everyone, the XLR connector, di ba? Male, female. XLR, alam ba natin bakit tawag sa kanya XLR? Di ba? Ginagamit natin siya sa mic cords, ginagamit natin sa patch cables, kahit sa ilaw gamit natin. Pero saan nga ba nanggaling yung pangalang XLR? May kwento ako. So, back in the day, nung nagmo-mobile kami, everything was pretty much RCA lang naman eh. From the mixer, to the EQ, to the amplifier, lahat yan RCA. Na-encounter lang namin yung XLR na nung medyo we were moving towards professional. Nag-umpisa ka sa microphone kasi nung panahon na yun, microphones were expensive as well. Pero kailangan na mahaba yung mga kable. So, we got introduced to XLRs. And then, having a mic cable, kakabit mo to sa Numark mixer mo, kabit mo sa mic, boom, okay na, mahaba na yung kable mo. And that's as far as you know about XLRs and probably balanced cables. Pero, noong time na yun, hindi pa nga XLR ang tawag namin sa kanya. Ang tawag namin sa kanya, Canon. Bakit kamo? Kasi nakasulat dun sa connector C-A-N-N-O-N, Canon. So, lahat na lang yan, tawag namin Canon. Di ba? And yung panahon na yun, hindi rin naman kadalasan mapapansin mo kasi people around you are still using RCA and maybe PL, but bihirang XLR. Mahal rin kasi XLR dati. Anyway, so as we get along with other people, nung mas nakasama namin matatanda, sabi nila, hindi ka niya, XLR tawag dyan, XLR. So kami parang, okay, so then there's also the transition when nasanay ka ng tawag mo Canon, tapos ngayon kailangan mo tawag XLR. It's kind of like, di ba? Calling every toothpaste Colgate, tas suddenly ngayon marami ng ibang brands and they just try to say, kailangan mo ng toothpaste. Anyway, ayun. So, pero saan na nga ba nanggaling yung XLR na pangalan niya? Let me explain. So, nung later mobile during the 80s, but in the late 90s, di ba, meron ng internet. So, this is probably one of the first things na hinanap ko during that time. Trying to understand more about things, bakit they are what they are. So, going back to the Canon, yung nakita namin dun sa katawan, and it didn't even look like this. It was a totally different connector. Nakikita nyo sa baba, lagay ko. Canon was a company that made connectors since the early 30s to the mid 50s. Sila ang nag-invent ng XLR noong 1950s, di ba? So they made connectors for a lot of industries, military, medical, audio, cinema. Basta they were a company. The Canon Electric made connectors for a lot of industries. So they were experts in that. That's what they did. And that's it. Diba? Yung influence nila. So, they made connectors. So here we go. Saan ang galing yung XLR? First, yung X. X was the series of connectors na ginagawa nila during that. It belongs to that family, yung X series. Kaya yung X. Now, later on, in the mid-50s, they found the need to put a locking mechanism para hindi basta-basta nahuhugot. So, that's where the L comes from, yung latching. So, this is the latch. There. So, that's the XL na, di ba, latch. And then, the R is apparently the rubber material, the polypropylene rubber material na ginagamit nila for floating the connectors. Kasi, syempre, tatlong connectors yan, kailangan may isolation yan, yung tatlong contacts na yan. So, there. So, there it is. XLR, X-series, latching, and then the rubber material na ginagamit for isolation. Okay. I hope that helps. XLR. See you in the next.